Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Allstate Insurance Review My US Home and Auto Experience. Allstate Insurance Review My US Home and Auto Experience offers a look into what it's like to be an Allstate customer, specifically focusing on home and auto insurance in the US. It's targeted towards individuals looking for information about Allstate before choosing them as their insurance provider. Key features would likely include details about coverage options, claims processes, and potentially customer service experiences. Their website provides details about various insurance products. Allstate emphasizes their wide range of coverage options, from basic liability to comprehensive plans, allowing customization for individual needs. They highlight their long-standing reputation and their network of agents available for personalized service. While pricing isn't directly advertised, they focus on value and the potential for discounts based on factors like safe driving and bundling policies. Availability of specific coverage options likely varies by state, so checking their website based on your location is essential. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Allstate Insurance Review My US Home and Auto Experience. My research started online, browsing through Allstate's website. It was fairly easy to navigate, though initially I found the sheer number of different coverage options a bit overwhelming. I ended up calling an Allstate agent to discuss my specific needs, a new car and renter's insurance for my apartment. The agent was very helpful, patiently explaining the various coverage levels, deductibles, and potential discounts. He walked me through creating a personalized quote, and even offered to compare it to my current insurer. Getting set up with my new policies was surprisingly straightforward. The online portal made it easy to upload the necessary documents and finalize the process. I haven't had to file a claim yet, thankfully, so I can't speak to that process firsthand. But accessing policy documents and making payments through the online portal has been very intuitive. The standout feature for me was definitely the personalized attention from the agent. It really helped demystify the complexities of insurance. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app specifically dedicated to reviewing policy details, though they do have a general Allstate app. It took me a little while to find that information on the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my initial experience researching and signing up with Allstate for my home and auto insurance needs. That's my overview of Allstate Insurance Review My US Home and Auto Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.